Hi everyone, beat the summer heat with these 15 refreshing and cooling drinks. These beverages keep you hydrated, energized, and feeling light all day. You don't need any fancy ingredients, just simple, natural foods from your kitchen. From traditional coolers to nutrient-packed blends, these drinks are a delicious way to stay fit in hot weather. Each recipe is easy to make and perfect for keeping your body cool. Check out the detailed recipes in the description and pinned comments. Raw mango drink, also known as Aam Panna, is one of the best summer coolers. It prevents heat stroke and keeps your body cool. Packed with vitamin C, it boosts immunity and helps digestion. The natural sweetness of mango makes it a great energy drink. It also helps in reducing acidity and dehydration. Adding mint enhances its cooling effect, making it even more refreshing. Jaljeera is a cooling and digestive drink, perfect for summer. It prevents bloating and keeps the stomach light. The spices in Jaljeera help digestion and boost metabolism. It is also great for detoxing the body. A glass of Jaljeera is an instant refresher. Cumin and black salt in it prevent water retention and acidity. Masala chas or buttermilk is a natural probiotic drink that cools the body. It improves digestion and prevents bloating. The spices help reduce acidity and keep the stomach happy. This drink also boosts metabolism and is great for weight loss. A glass of chas is a must for summers. It also helps in reducing body heat and keeping skin fresh. Kokum is a natural cooling fruit that prevents dehydration. It soothes acidity and improves digestion. Rich in antioxidants, kokum is great for skin health. This drink also helps in reducing body heat. A glass of kokum sharbat will keep you cool and refreshed. It also prevents sunstroke and keeps your energy levels stable. Coconut water is the best natural electrolyte. It keeps the body hydrated and prevents heat stroke. Adding sabja seeds makes it even more cooling and good for digestion. This drink helps in balancing hormones and keeping the skin fresh. A simple and super healthy summer drink. It also flushes out toxins and keeps your kidneys healthy. Watermelon is 90% water, making it perfect for hydration. It is rich in vitamins and helps in weight loss. Mint adds a fresh flavor and aids digestion. This drink is light, sweet, and refreshing. Perfect for a hot summer day. The antioxidants in watermelon also help prevent sun damage. Sattu is a natural protein drink that keeps you full. It cools the body and prevents dehydration. This drink is great for digestion and helps with weight loss. It also boosts energy without making you feel heavy. A simple and nutritious summer drink. Plus, it helps regulate blood sugar levels and supports muscle recovery. Shikanji is a simple lemon drink that refreshes instantly. It prevents dehydration and boosts immunity. The spices in Shikanji improve digestion. It is also great for detoxing the body. A must-have summer drink. Black salt in it balances electrolytes and prevents muscle cramps. Lemon and mint together make a powerful cooling drink. It refreshes your body, prevents heat exhaustion, and keeps digestion smooth. It is simple to make and perfect for hot days. The vitamin C in lemon also helps brighten the skin. This drink is a great replacement for sugary sodas. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. It hydrates and refreshes while supporting digestion. Adding lemon and a little honey makes it a perfect drink for a summer afternoon. Bromelain in pineapple helps reduce bloating and inflammation. This drink also boosts immunity and keeps you active. Wood apple or bell fruit is great for digestion and cooling the body. This traditional drink prevents heat stroke, acidity, and constipation. It also strengthens immunity and keeps you energized in the summer heat. Drinking it regularly improves gut health. Plus, it's naturally sweet and requires no added sugar. Jaggery is rich in iron and natural minerals. This drink improves blood circulation, cools the body, and keeps you refreshed. It is a healthier alternative to sugar-loaded drinks. Jaggery helps in flushing out toxins and boosting metabolism. Adding lemon to it makes it even more refreshing and detoxifying. Lychee is high in water content and vitamin C. It hydrates, refreshes, and prevents summer fatigue. This naturally sweet drink is light, making it a perfect evening refresher. Lychee also contains antioxidants that help improve skin health. Plus, it supports digestion and prevents bloating. Thandai is made with almonds, fennel, rose petals, and spices. It cools the body, improves digestion, and provides energy. This drink is a must-have for extreme summer days. The nuts and seeds in it provide essential healthy fats and proteins. Plus, it enhances mood and reduces stress. Mango, lemon, mint, and a little soda make this a perfect summer cooler. It hydrates, refreshes, and gives a tropical feel. It is a great way to enjoy mangoes in a healthy way. The combination of mint and lemon prevents bloating and acidity. This drink is perfect for summer parties and gatherings. Summer can be tough on your body, but staying hydrated with cooling drinks can help you beat the heat. In today's video, we explored 15 refreshing summer drinks like raw mango drink, jaljeera, and masala chas, all designed to keep you cool, energized, and healthy. From the vitamin C-packed raw mango drink that prevents heat stroke to the digestion-boosting coconut water with sabja seeds, these drinks are natural, easy to make, and perfect for staying hydrated. These simple recipes require no fancy ingredients, just fresh and healthy choices that nourish your body. Stay refreshed, cool, and energized this summer with these delicious drinks. Links to the full recipes are in the description and pinned comments. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Now that you have all these amazing summer drinks at your fingertips, it's time to stay cool and refreshed all season long. Remember, hydration is key to feeling your best in the heat, and these drinks not only cool you down but also nourish your body. Try them out and see which ones you love the most. If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to check the description for detailed instructions. For more healthy summer recipes, stay tuned to the channel, and remember, your well-being comes first. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.